At the 2017 New York Auto Show, Jaguar showed off the new entry-level F-Type, packing a 2.0-liter, turbocharged, gasoline-fueled inline-four that produces 296 horsepower, which is built in-house in the UK. It's the debut of this branch of the Ingenium engine series, and it's also the top of the Ingenium gas range. Most Jaguar vehicles will offer a less powerful 247 horsepower version. We caught up with Jaguar's engineers to figure out exactly how this high-output Ingenium engine differs, and what Jaguar had to do to fit it in the F-Type's engine bay. While all Ingenium 2.0-liter gas fours share major architecture, the aluminum block and heads, as well as the bore and stroke, there are some internal differences. The most important are the low compression pistons, which allow for more boost without detonation. The new compression ratio is 9.5 to 1, compared to the 10.5 to 1 ratio in the 247 horsepower spec engines. To make the most out of more boost, you need new plumbing and a way to get more fuel into the combustion chamber, so Jaguar fitted a larger twin-scroll turbocharger that's unique to this application. It features low-friction ceramic ball bearings. Jaguar says this improves transient response. There are also new fuel injectors and a fuel pump to accommodate the increased demand for gas in the high-output engine. On the back end, there's a unique exhaust system with active flaps to give it a louder bark when called for. Of course, some new hardware and more boost means the various electronic systems that control the engine needed changes. For one, Jaguar's changed the cam timing and valve lift mapping, as well as the ignition timing. The throttle mapping and transmission calibration have also been optimized for the new engine.